Now it's time for a little bit of different aspect of Toastmasters, that is humorous segment. I'm not telling humorous speech or humorous speech contest. I'm talking about a type of an event where a reputed set of people are gonna come here and present their acts over here in a humorous way. We have Toastmaster Rajashekhar sir and a famous stand-up comedian Rohit Swain together joining with us. Toastmaster Rajashekhar sir is a professional stand-up comedian in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai, and a Toastmaster from 12 years. And he has won a humorous speech contest at district level in 2011. We have Rohit Swain. He is a stand-up comedian who has performed over 500 shows across India and a TEDx speaker who has won over 4 million views on YouTube and was also featured on the NDTV Rising Stars of Comedy. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome Toastmaster Rajashekhar sir and the famous stand-up comedian Rohit Swain. The stage is all yours.
Hey, hello. Thank you, Furkan. Hello, everybody. First of all, there are like so many corrections in the introduction. I am also a famous stand-up comedian. And secondly, I am more famous than this guy, Rohit Swain. And thirdly, I have 15 million views on YouTube, and this fellow had only 4 million views.
Definitely,
And-
yes.
And
Rohit,
also, I am an ex-Toastmaster also. Like, I am also an ex-Toastmaster.
Yeah, he's not only ex-Toastmaster, he was an area director also. At that time, they used to call area governor. And he was an area governor. And all his clubs now shut down. So, you understand, no? So that is his contribution to Toastmasters is unlimited. But anyway, thank you guys for having us here. And Rohit, did you see how Furkan very cleverly told? I am a Toastmaster Rajashekhar, but you are a stand-up comedian, it seems.
I paid him 1,000 rupees just to see this.
Acha, okay. Rich people, okay. Hello guys, so now for the next 20-25 minutes, what you're going to witness is called improv comedy, which is basically we will take suggestions from all of you and we will improvise everything on the spot. So I want you to focus on two things. Number one, this is not a humorous speech contest, so all the rules which apply to humorous speech won't apply to the next 25 minutes. Okay, very important. So don't judge us. I know there's a chief judge and there are like other hidden judges. Don't judge us. Think of us like a new Toastmasters who are giving icebreaker speech. Just give a standing ovation at the end of it. That's it. Okay. We don't want anything else. Just stand up at wherever you are and then you can encourage us. Now, second thing which I want you to do is if you have joined through laptop, please select gallery view. And if you have joined through mobile, enjoy as much as possible for the next 25 minutes. And most of you, please, if you can just switch on your cameras, it would be really nice because this is going to be an interactive session. So I want you to talk. I want you to respond. I want you to see you guys laughing. Otherwise, I know some of you are just like, join the meeting and you're cooking or you're just playing dumb charades. I know a lot of you guys what you do. I've been a Toastmaster from last 12 years. I know what I do. So there was a time 2 weeks back, I evaluated a speech in Toastmasters. And I did not even listen to the speech. I just went outside. By the time I came back, my speaker is done. So I just gave a normal evaluation and I won the best evaluator also. So you understand, huh? So don't do all that right now. Now, whatever I'm saying, these are all jokes. These are not like life philosophy which you have to follow. These are all jokes. Okay, next 25 minutes, don't take anything seriously. Cool? Okay. Now, secondly, all of you, like if some of you, if you don't have any disturbance from your end, can you guys also please unmute yourself so that we can hear your laughter? Cool? If there's a disturbance, I'm sure Zoom Master will, turn off or mute you. That's okay. Somebody is washing clothes also. I think you should immediately go on mute. I think where is this coming from? I think Gagan only. I think.
No.
Okay, fine. So now, secondly, a lot of you, like whoever is there, probably can you guys just at least. I think Rohit, this was a bad idea to ask them to unmute, no?
No, I think it's fine. We have Lalit and Cyril and Furkan who have unmuted themselves, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
people,
actually, lot of.
if you don't have any background noise, feel free to.
Who is the Zoom Master here? Who is playing the Zoom Master? I think there are a lot of hosts. I think.
Rohit. Another Rohit.
Oh, we have another Rohit. Okay. Rohit Verma Datta. Okay. Rohit Verma Datta, can you please do us a favor? Like if there is any from any window, if there is too much of disturbance, you just mute the audio. Don't mute the video. Okay.
Sure. I'll do it. Yeah.
Yeah. And secondly, just keep it active speaker mode so that Rohit and me will be having a lot of conversations. So we can, the mode keeps shifting. Okay, cool. Okay, now
Yeah, sure.
we'll start off. Let's not give too much introduction because I have only 45 minutes I was told. Okay, 25 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes. I know. I'm just kidding. Now, for the first game to proceed, this is called Open Scene, just to give an introduction about how improv comedy works. Yeah, I think Rohit, you can mute Pratibha Kamath. Okay, that is how it works. So thank you for the demo, Pratibha. This is all paid. I paid Pratibha 1,000 rupees to just to make sure this happens now. Okay. And Srinivas Gandikota, I couldn't recognize you with all that beard, man. What happened to you? Are you okay? Are you
I'm
going to
perfectly okay.
Okay. So
Arison, yeah, I'm perfectly okay. And great that
Okay.
you recognize me.
because I saw your name and I recognized. Otherwise, I thought,
Oh,
why
perfect.
Sadhguru? What is Sadhguru doing here? Okay, fine. Anyway. So if you need any counseling, you can approach me. Cool. Okay, we'll proceed with the
Sure.
improv comedy segment. So what I want is now I want you guys to give a suggestion. So whenever I want you to give a suggestion, you can use the chat box which is there in the Zoom, and you can type in your suggestions there. And we will take the suggestion and we will improvise the scene on the spot. Cool. Ready, everybody? Now the first suggestion I want, I'll ask you a question. You can answer that question in the Zoom chat. The first suggestion I want is, what is one thing which you hate about Toastmasters? I mean, you don't have to be too honest. Don't take names. Handshake, okay.
Handshake.
Wonderful.
Srinivas Gandikota says handshake. Suggestions.
Okay.
Lalita has given the best suggestion ever. It is suggestion only. Wow.
You can, Rohit, you can remove, Rohit Kumar Datta, you can remove Lalita and block her for the future meetings also. Okay, punctual handshakes. I think too many people are talking about handshakes. So Rohit, Swen, we will take suggestion as handshakes. Cool. This is the open scene. There are no rules to this improvisation. We just take the suggestion as handshakes and we will improvise everything. Cool. Before we start every scene, I want all of you to give a round of applause. Because most of you are muted, at least show that you are applauding. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Rohit, you can start off. Rohit Swen, I mean.
Hey, Dad, everybody in school is asking me not to do handshakes because of this coronavirus. And you know, right, how active I am as a student in my school. I'm very active. I want to hug everybody. And they're not asking me to like handshake also. Like, what is wrong with them, Dad?
I know, Donald Trump, you are like that. What can we do? You are born with hugging people and shaking hands. You can do whatever you want to. Don't unnecessarily listen to everybody. Tomorrow morning, you just go and hug your science teacher and shake hands also.
Dad, being 72 years old, I have not chosen science as a subject at all. This year, I chose economics as my subject. So I can actually hug my economics teacher. But economics teacher is a very famous economist from India. His name is Manmohan Singh. So he's not ready for hugs at all.
He may not be ready for the hugs, but what you can do is you can write him a mail because usually he doesn't talk much and he will reply and he will reply to whatever you want. You can send him virtual hugs, Donald. Come on, like you have to grow up, man.
I've lost so much in life, Dad. Morning, I lost elections also. And now you want me to send virtual hugs to my own teacher. Like this is how you treat your own son, Dad.
Okay, Donald. So when you were born, I lost my hair also. So after that, I have lost everything in my life. So if you really want to give some hugs to somebody, you come and hug me. But Manmohan Singh, you can only give him virtual hugs. We don't know where he is. Nobody knows where he is.
Rahul Gandhi knows where he is. Like he knows. He will tell us, Dad. And you have been friends with Rahul Gandhi since so long. You are 108 years old. For God's sake, do something for me, Dad.
Okay, Donald. Okay, I'll give you one option. This is the best option I can give you. There is no other option. There's this one forum where people rely on handshakes and hugs. You can go to that forum, and anybody and everybody will hug you.
Forum, like is it like? Does it like rhyme with roasting or something like roast?
Yeah, it's called Toastmasters. And in Toastmasters, everybody hugs everybody. You can just like physically you meet and hug them, and they will even make you district director also. Whoever hugs the most is the district director. That is how the Toastmaster works. You may not have lost elections here. You may not be president here. You can go there and become a president of a club, and you will have a gala time, Donald.
Oh my God, Dad! Thank you for showing me this vision of yours. Oh my God, I'm gonna follow this vision, and I think I'm gonna open my own club, Vision
Yeah.
Toastmasters. That's it. Like,
Yeah. Vision Toastmasters is already there, so let's call it Revision Toastmasters. And please have a tagline. Let's make Toastmasters great again. Okay? Okay, guys. So this is just a random. We have taken a suggestion and then we just improvise whatever came to mind. So our next for the next game, which is called. So in improv, what happens is there are two forms. One is short form improv. The other one is the long form improv. What you are experiencing right now is short form improv. Now, short form improv is based with a lot of games, whereas long form improv, just like you gave one suggestion, which is handshakes, we can improvise for 1 hour. That is called long form improv. That is because it's too long. Now, short form improv is the one which you're going to experience next. The next game is called Meeting an Ex. So one of us, we both are ex-lovers, and we are meeting again after a long time. Now, I want you to suggest a place where we are meeting. Some place, any place.
any place, guys. It can be any place. You can also use your mic to shout out the place name, or you can Cafe Last Cabin. Oh, Cyril, relax, bro. Like just because
Cyril.
you do that.
Toastmasters meeting.
IKEA Taj Mahal Toastmaster meeting.
Toastmaster meeting. Okay.
Okay, I think Rohit's fan, we will go ahead with Toastmaster meeting only. Two ex-lovers meeting after a long time in a Toastmaster meeting. Okay? Cool. Give a round of applause. We'll start up the scene.
Hey, hi. And it's you, Srinivas. You. Oh my God, you are part of this club?
What are you doing here, Ragini? Why did you come to this Toastmasters club?
No, like I read in the news like Donald Trump has started this revision Toastmaster club, so I joined this club, and I thought something like good will happen. But what are you and what's up with this beard? Like, oh God, like
Ragini, after you left me, I just kept growing beard. Like this is my look now. I lost everything in my life. I don't want to shave. It's no shave November. After you left, it is no shave live for me.
oh God, Srinivas, I feel bad for you. See, I moved on with my life. I moved on. I went ahead and married Cyril. But you should have moved on with your life.
Ragini, just because he was your area director, you can't marry him. Ragini, you just marry your area director. How can you do this? Ragini, please don't do this, yeah. Like you left me. Now nobody is marrying me. I'm not even a president of my own club. I am a SA. You know what is SA? Sergeant at Arms. I can't even spell that, Ragini, because of you.
I know what is I know all of this, but you give this choice to any girl. Like right now also, if I ask Lalita, if she gets a choice to marry a boy from Hyderabad and marry a boy from Goa, obviously she'll choose Goa.
Hey, sorry. I think my frame got freeze for a second. Can you
Back.
tell again, Ragini? What did you tell Ragini? I lost you for a second, Ragini. Hello.
Srinivas, it's very simple. Srinivas, it's very simple. Even if this choice was given to any girl, say Lalita, and if she's being told that you marry a guy from Goa or Hyderabad, she will choose Goa guy, na? Definitely. That's the reason I married Cyril.
Ragini, do you realize why did we break up in the first place? You remember that incident?
I know, I remember that. I told you that I am going to contest in the speech contest and you should make me the winner because you were the judge. And you told me, no. Shirisha Pammi, she will win the competition.
Ragini, but the speech which you gave in a humorous speech contest, you came and you inspired the audience. There were no laughs. Even then, in my ballot, I voted you number 1. The chief judge Sapna came to me and she slapped me. Ragini,
You deserve to be slapped, Srinivas. But with so much of hair around you, I think she was not able to slap you that hard on that day.
you know what, Ragini? You contest again, and now I'll vote you as the best speaker, and you are Cyril as the second best speaker. Then you divorce him and marry me.
Srinivas
Then we will
tried.
start a joint club. Sorry. Yeah, Ragini, you are saying something? Okay, guys, that's the end of the second game. We'll move on to the next. Sorry, Cyril, Sapna, Srinivas, and Sirisha. You guys should not take offense and all because we are not Toastmasters anymore. Okay, like he's the ex-Toastmaster.
I can understand RSM you taking me as an example because whatever you don't have, you're trying to see it in me. That's it.
Usually that is how life works, Srinivas. What we don't have, we look in others, like that's. So, but that's okay. We'll proceed with the next game. I think today Srinivas is in good form rather than me and Rohit.
Definitely.
Okay. So the next game is called Reading from a Book. Rohit, you have a book with you?
Okay, title of the game is Reading from a Book. Like Rajshekhar was kind of stuck. So, okay, he's back now. He's back. Okay, yeah, please explain the rules.
So I keep getting calls. So I'm connecting through my mobile here, and we have ordered from JioMart. So the JioMart guy is calling me to pick up the call. So I'm really sorry, but I can let go groceries for all of you because Toastmasters is more important than for groceries. You understand? Huh? Yeah, I'm just joking. I asked him to call my dad. Anyway, so the next game is called Reading from a Book. How this game is work is Rohit and me are going to have a conversation, and whenever Rohit has to reply to me, he will take out the book, random page, and the left side first line. That will be his response. Okay. Now, Rohit, what is the book you have with you? Do you have a book with you? Harry Potter. Oh, okay. So now Rohit and me, we are going to have a conversation. Now you guys have to tell us. You guys have to tell us an activity which we might be doing. Any activity, some activity. Give us a question in the chat box. Any activity which we might be doing.
It can be anything, guys.
Corona treatment.
Corona treatment, okay. Uday has given corona treatment. I think we have to take Uday's suggestion.
Yeah.
And you can also upload. You can also upload for the suggestion.
Okay, I think, can we have a round of applause for Uday? Yeah. Happy Uday? Huh?
Thank you, Dr. Rajshekhar.
Hey, it's okay, Uday. This could be the first upload you got in your life now. So we are used to it, Rohit and me. So that's okay.
Yeah, going to the last one.
Okay, somebody told cleaning dishes also. Probably we'll take treating coronavirus via cleaning dishes. Okay, so that is how it works. So whenever Rohit has to respond, we'll be having a conversation. Rohit can only randomly take out a page, read it from the left side first line. Okay, all of you got the rules of the game? Okay, you guys give a round of applause. We'll start up the scene. Dr. Seshadri, I think I have this virus and I'm not having any symptoms apart from the urge to attend Toastmaster meetings. Is this a symptom of coronavirus? Doctor?
No, this is stupid. She'll tell you that you are being ridiculous.
I know, doctor. She will always tell like that because she is my wife and she always tells all this kind of nonsense stuff. Whatever I say is stupid for her. But the point is, doctor, I want to be cured. And how can I get cured? Because I heard that you are curing everybody's virus by making them clean dishes. I have a lot of dishes. So can I clean dishes, doctor? What is your suggestion about cleaning dishes?
None of those rumors came from me.
Oh, then I think somebody is making up all these rumors. I don't know who is doing this. Usually, nobody makes up these rumors apart from the humorous speech contestants and tall tales contestants. But I don't know who is bringing up this rumor. But how can I cure my virus, doctor? Please give me a suggestion because next one I am scheduled to marry again. So I want to Get rid of this disease.
I did my part, but for my herd and our honor, not for you. And after the battle, the forest was deemed.
Doctor, I know I heard from everybody that you always talk in terms of analogies and metaphors. I know you did your part last time when I came to you for the treatment. And the forest which you are referring to as a metaphor, my hair is gone, is burnt. Now I don't have forest, doctor. Now I want my life back. What should I do, doctor? Tell me. How can I make my life better?
And we are back in the present, shooting up through the water.
Doctor, you are one of the most weirdest doctors I have seen in my life. We are shooting up to the waters. I don't understand. So where is the water? I can't see any water. The water which you gave last time, I drank it and I lost my arm. I don't have a right arm now. Doctor, please, please cure me from all these diseases. Tell me, what can I do for you? How can I get rid of this?
You are quite proud of that phrase, aren't you?
I am proud of that phrase. I keep using that phrase, and the phrase I know what you are referring to, where leaders are made. I'm a Toastmaster. I use it everywhere. The other day I was getting into auto driver. That auto driver I told where leaders are made. Okay, guys, that's the end of this scene. Dude, I think Rohit, next time when we play this game, now don't read from that book, man. Just throw that book away. What kind of lines are there in that book, man? Who wrote this book? Harry Potter? Who wrote this?
JK.
Oh, J.K. Rowling. Okay, fine. I thought Nitish Agarwal. Anyway, fine. Nitish Agarwal also keeps writing a lot of books these days. Okay, anyway, guys. So let's move on to the next game, the last game. And the last game is called ABC, Alphabets. How this game is going to work is Rohit and me, we are going to have a conversation. And whenever we talk, if Rohit starts a sentence with A, I will continue with B, C, D, E, F. Like that, we will cover all the 25 alphabets which are there. Okay, cool? 26. Whatever. When I was a kid, there were 25 only. They would have added one more extra. That's fine. So we'll proceed now. Now for the last game, I want a suggestion from all of you. Give us a relationship. What are we to each other? Some relationship between both of us. What are we to each other? Any relationship.
Wife and husband.
Wife and husband.
Wife and husband. Okay. Any other? Wife and strangers. Hey, strangers is not a relationship, Lalita. What are you reading? Harry Potter, like how? Chinese and Indian Army soldier, okay?
Boss and colleague.
What and colleague?
Boss.
Boss and colleague, okay, okay. Okay, so dog and cat, Nikita, just because our faces look like that, you don't have to tell us directly. Usually we take feedback after the show, not in between. Uncle Ben and Peter Parker. So Rohit never watches all superhero movies. The only type of movies which Rohit watches is Salman Khan movies. In that one, Uncle Ben, nothing, nobody, Peter Parker. Okay, guys. So I think among all the suggestions which we got, the interesting suggestion is wife and husband and dog and cat. So Rohit, which one you want to take?
I think you can take dog and cat for a change.
Okay, we'll take dog and cat. So guys, dog and cat are having a conversation. But we'll be having a conversation, like I said, in terms of alphabets. If Rohit starts a sentence with A, I'll continue with B, C, D, E, F, like that. Now, give us a letter from where we have to start the conversation. A letter between A to Z. Any letter, one letter.
X.
H.
Somebody said H, Z.
Somebody
X.
said X. I think we'll go ahead with X only because that's the first suggestion we got. Rohit?
Cool, cool, yeah.
Okay, guys, you guys give a round of applause. We'll start off this.
Okay, start off.
Nonsense, fellow. Okay. Xavier, what are you doing here? I thought your master has left you for dogs and you are here back again, Xavier.
You think very high of yourself, Natasha. You being the world's only talking cat, you think that you're very, very smart. Don't you know your owner left you 8 years back? And that too for a stupid rat?
Zillion times I told you, Xavier, My owner did not leave me. I left my owner. There's a difference. Dogs owners leave dogs. Cat owners will be left by cats.
Although I've heard this reason not zillion but million times. Okay. But I will not take this reason because you are so full of yourself only. You don't care about others. I'll tell you the truth. What happened that day? Your owner kept a packet of milk on the kitchen slab for me, your neighbor, and you bloody climbed up the kitchen slab and ate away, drank all the milk with the packet, like with the packet. Who drinks milk with the packet? Like you consume the packet also.
Bow bow, bolke, you came and you started shouting everywhere, bow bow, bow bow. And I generally hate that sound. And whenever I hate that sound, I eat away the food of the person who is making that sound. That is the reason I ate away packet also. Now there is plastic inside me. I'm made of plastic, Xavier.
Come on, Natasha. You should also understand that you are also the first cat in this world whose body is full of plastic. You are giving direct competition to Rakhi Sawant now.
Direct or indirect doesn't matter, Xavier. At the end of the day, everybody will perish, but plastic will remain.
Enough of your drama, Natasha. I would request you to find yourself a new owner. Look at you. I can see your bones also. You are not eating properly. Half the food is going in that plastic bag again and again. And that is not coming out also.
Find myself new owner? Seriously? I will find myself death, but I won't find myself a owner. Let it go into the plastic. And when I die, you will anyway come and eat plastic only. You dog, Xavier.
God, Natasha, I'll give you a tip. Just in front of her apartment, Srinivas Gandikota is there. He's a milkman. Okay? Very simple guy, humble guy with a long beard and all. He's very fond of cats and he has lot of milk. See, now also he has milk. Yeah. Just go to him. Just go to him and do meow, 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 meow. He will adopt you. He'll adopt you directly.
Haripriya, my last owner, she left me for a reason. Because she stopped consuming milk and she was only eating coffee these days. Coffee. And this Srinivas fellow, he's mixing a lot of water in that coffee. That's the reason now we are like this.
I'm telling you, as a friend, Natasha, it's very important for you to find yourself an owner. Just try it once with Srinivas. Once. Last time. Like another cat who couldn't speak actually. She was there and they both just gelled together so much. But the only problem was that the cat died because Srinivas' milk, right, had some problem.
Just because you are telling I'm going to try with Srinivas once, let me go to Srinivas and then I'll update you tomorrow whether his milk is nice or not. Okay? Okay, guys, that's the end scene. Thank you so much. Hey, what? Srinivas, what are you showing, man? Those are goggles, kya? Okay.
Yeah, these are some funny goggles, but it ran out of battery. I would have shown you with fancy lights.
Oh, that is going to shine and
all.
all,
Cat
yeah?
theme. Yeah.
Oh, acha.
It would go well with the cat theme.
I'll come and collect.
Ready to own the cat.
Okay, guys, so that brings us to the end of this improv comedy segment. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Can we have a round of applause for all the people who gave suggestions, and most importantly for Gagan, because he was asking us from like last time, and then I told, okay, fine. After a long time, I'm also entering Toastmasters because I've been on a break recently, and this is like a comeback. And Toastmasters, I think Rohit and for me, Toastmasters has helped a lot. And in the initial years from 2013 to 2016. Both of us used to be Toastmasters and we used to give a lot of humorous speeches across different clubs. And it helped a lot. And for Toastmasters, we will do anything. So thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. have a nice content. Back to you, Furkan. Thank you so much.